Welcome back, boys and girls, and we're continuing our exploration of the shell design for the Rolls-Royce Phantom. Last time we just inserted this surface here. Now we're going to continue onward. So we have our planes set up again. This time we're going to do a sketch along the center side plane. Let's go ahead and turn on these again. On sketch 24, we'll take a look. We got this curve here following the roof and back slant of the blueprint, and we're going to extrude that out from the center. Like so, using a simple surface extrude and selecting that curve we just drew. We'll hit OK. Now we're going to do a surface sweep using, on plane 2, we have just a simple line like so, offset from the center. And we're going to sweep that line across curve 10 here on our previous curve. Boom. We're going to choose our center option, bidirectional. Now that we have our surface sweep, we can continue on, create another plane. It's going to be offset from the side plane. Or right plane rather, 300 mil. And we'll start using that. We're going to do some surface trims. Trimming out some of this extruded surface we just did along our sweep. Now we're going to trim this surface sweep away. The purple we're going to remove. Along our curve there. See what we have left. And finally, this region here. So we got our roof curve and our outward surface swept curve, what's left of it, trimming all of it back.